the nesting bird. Morning, dogs take their morning schools. Woodpeckers call from a tree with a hole. Quack, quack, quack. Starling sings from meadow pole. Wee, 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 tree. But you have heard the nesting bird. What bird here that was nesting up there? Crow makes simple jungle. Chop, chop. Swallow slides from the under shingle. Ha ha. Chee, chee, chee. Ha ha. Choo, chee. Quaw calls out, come meet and single. Quaw, quaw, quaw. But have you heard the nesting bird? Not single tweets or tall, just nesting bird so sturdy. Hobo wears putty hat. Cheer, 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 putty, putty, putty. Chicklee is acrobat. Chick, dee, dee, dee. Catbird sounds hungry cat. Meow, meow. But you have heard the nesting bird. It doesn't sing, not even bit. All it does is sit and sit. Blue gay shark as Jill. Whippoorwill has his favorite tool. Whippoorwill, whippoorwill. Words turn twice still. But you have heard a nesting bird. It hasn't sung a single song. This bird has been sitting for too long. Wait, wait. What? That? Skipping, quacking. Some made a little sound. The bird is starting to move around, ruffling, ruffling. The bird flew off with something blue. Chippy, pippy. Look, other ribbons come too. The baby birds are here.